Welcome. Today in front of me iPhone 14 Pro, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So just to do that, we should first open the settings application, and after that you'll see here the Wi-Fi section. Click here once, and just to activate Wi-Fi we should use this switcher. Just click here, and after that you will see here all the available networks which we can just use to connect to Wi-Fi our iPhone. So just we can use also here the other and enter the name of the network if you just don't see your network here in this list. Also, for example, you can ask to join networks here. It can notify you, it can ask, or also you can just turn it off. Here we can also use the hotspot, so the auto join feature. If you want, you can add it. So let's just, for example, select this network. Here we should enter the password. I'll enter it out of screen. After that, we should click here on the right upper corner to join. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you wanna just forget this network, to forget the password, you should click here on forget this network. If you wanna see the password, you should just click here once, and after that you'll see your password here. You can also use the low data mode here. You can just turn on or turn off the private Wi-Fi address here. You can just set the limit IP of IP address tracking, and here you can also configure the proxy mode, the DNS, and if you wanna just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on that switcher. So also you can use it by the second way. You can activate Wi-Fi from the control center. Just to open it, you should swipe to the right side of your button. And now here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. So just to activate the Wi-Fi, we should click here once on this icon, and now Wi-Fi is activated on our iPhone. If you wanna just launch the Wi-Fi settings, you should hold for a while this icon and hold it once again. Then you can here select one from these networks, or here you will just open the network settings. Now just let's enter the password and tap to join. If you wanna just open from here the full settings, you should hold it and just click here Wi-Fi settings, and now here we'll see the full list, the full settings of Wi-Fi. And just to turn it off, we should click here once again on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.